class 6 from agriculture chapter. Two topics are left, that is commercial farming and plantation. What is commercial farming? Commercial farming are growing crops in a large scale for mainly for selling. By selling they get a large amount of money, that is known as commercial farming. The main aim of this type of farming is to earn profit from it. The farms may not be bigger or larger. With modern methods and cultivation, using high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides and irrigation facilities, and with the cold storage. Cold storage means a place where after harvesting the things are stored. Commercial farming is practiced a lot in Europe, USA, Canada, Russia, Australia, and the products are apple, cauliflowers, grapes, mushrooms, and broccolis. As this we can see today, these are found in every part of the world, but it is not grown in every part of the world. So this type of farming is done and stored in the cold storage. In India also some example of commercial farming is done in Maharashtra for onion, in Nasik, oranges, Sikkim for cauliflower, from Himachal Pradesh, apple is coming, and good quality of rice from Haryana, Punjab, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh. All these places are used for commercial farming. And coconut spices from Kerala, potatoes from West Bengal, and these are the example. Also one more thing, that is cotton. It comes from the Deccan Plateau. So these are for plantations, and these are all done for commercial farming, for earning money. Cotton gives us our money. Okay. Next is plantation farming. What is plantation farming? It is also a type of commercial farming where a single crop is instead of multiple crops is planted over a large area, known as plantation. Only a single crop, not other crops are planted in that land. These are all cash crops, but with quantity cash crops with quality. They use these farmings are highly organized. They do everything mechanically. The crops are specially prepared from nurseries, then they are taken up and transplanted in the farms, and high yield fertilizers are given so that the crops come nicely with good quality. A good amount of money is also used in it. The farmings are very large. All the growing, harvesting, processing, even packing, all the things are done in the farms, and it is called estates. Highly skilled laborers are necessary for such works and done with great with great care. Plantation farming is common in tropical and subtropical areas, countries like Asia and Africa. Many plantations are easily accessible by roads or rail and are also well connected to major towns and cities. Plantation also create good job opportunities for the people. This farm type of agriculture is practiced in parts of India, Sri Lanka and Philippines. Next is mixed farming. Crops grown in such plantations are tea, coffee. You have heard that for tea a lot of labor is required. Plucking is done with hand. Coconut, cocoa, rubber, all are plantation areas. Next come mixed farming. Mixed farming is farming which are grown and animals are reared in same farmland. Sometimes poultry are also kept. Farmers practice mixed farming mainly with the view of increasing their earning. Why? Because they want to increase their earning from one. They are not getting the sufficient money, from the other farming they will get that sufficient money. For that is the reason why they use this different sources. One of the major benefits of mixed farming is that one form of farming enterprise, if it fails, that I told, if it fails, okay, then they can earn money from the other one. The farmer will not suffer. Mixed farming increases the fertility of the soil too. It helps in minimizing the soil erosion, because if one soil is out, the other soil is still if one crop is out of the field, then the other crop is still there to protect the soil from erosion. Mixed farming makes good use of crop residue, which can be used as animal feed and also fertilizer for the soil. Mixed farming is done in Europe, USA. Also in some parts of India like Himalayas, along with other farming, they rear cattle, beekeeping, dry mushroom farming, dairy farming, mushroom farming, etc. They also practice in these areas, because being in hilly areas, they have to keep some other ways of practice. So this is the end of the chapter. In next video, I will give you or teach you about water bodies. As you have already got the notes, I will give you a brief description of water bodies chapter. Okay, thank you.